In this lesson, we will discuss about pronoun. People think pronoun is very easy, but they're not. If you learn pronoun properly, you can be very expert in English grammar. Let's begin. Pronoun generally replaces noun and it is used to avoid repetition. Let's see example. John wakes up at 6 a.m. John goes to school at 7 a.m. John comes back home at 1 p.m. There is lot of John. Let's replace these sentences with pronoun. John wakes up at 6 a.m. He goes to school at 7 a.m. He comes back home at 1 p.m. Let's talk about types of pronoun. Personal pronoun. For first person singular, for subject, it will be I. And for object, it will be me. In example, I am learning English. For subject, I. It is a pronoun. He helps me. Me is used as object pronoun. Second person, you for subject, also you for object. You are my friend. I saw you as object. Third person singular. For male, it is he as subject and him for object. He is a teacher and I called him. For female, she and her. She is reading, I met her. For thing, it, it. For both subject and object. It is a cat. I like it. For first person plural, we and us. We are students. They saw us. Second person plural, you and you for both cases. You are welcome. We trust you. And finally, third person plural, they, them. They are playing. I helped them. Next, go to second type, reflexive pronoun. Used as object when subject and object are same. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Let's do example and you'll understand. I made it myself. It's a pronoun myself. Mary painted it herself. So herself, myself, those are reflexive pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. It is used to point specific person, thing. Let's see some examples of these pronouns and their use. Singular is these and plural is those. When something point close things, that and these point further things. Let's do example. This is my pen. The pen which is very closer to you, you will use these. I like that. Suppose you saw a house which is further away from you, you will use that. I like that house. Interrogative pronoun. Some interrogation, asking question. This type of pronoun is used. Who, whom, what, which, whose. Those are interrogative pronouns. Who are you? Whom did you give the package? Relative pronoun. Connect a dependent clause to a noun or pronoun in the main clause. If you do not know what is clause is, don't worry. Just learn it and try to memorize it. When you learn about clause, it will be very clear. Who, whom, which, whose, that are relative pronouns. Example. And sentence example are: the student who won the prize is very talented. The book which I borrowed is very interesting. Indefinite pronoun refers to non-specific person or thing. Person, someone, and thing as singular, someone as singular, something. For plural, we use for both case singular person and thing, all. And same for singular person, anyone, and singular thing, anything. For plural, we use some. Everyone, everything, none, many, nobody, nothing, few, several. Someone left a package. I need something to drink. This is our final pronoun types. Possessive pronoun. To show ownership. Something you or other people own. Those pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. An example is: this book is mine. That means it is showing the ownership. That jacket is his, showing ownership. That's all for this video.